Hello, this is Eric Stallings from the Forest Park Dwarf House, and I am excited to be making my very first Chick-fil-A Mealtime kit right here. If you want to zoom in, you can see that this is the chicken flatbread from scratch, and so you're going to be witnessing my first experience with it. So first thing off the bat is just to open the box and see what we're going to find inside. Let's use some regular scissors, or I guess a key or anything else would work. So open here, okay. There's the box there, and we have a nice meal card. That looks beautiful, can't wait to dig into that. And cooking instructions, okay. Looks like we have the flatbread itself, some cheese, chicken. And I recognize these. Looks like we have the garlic and herb ranch dressing and red pepper relish. The bacon, can't forget that. Okay, so let's dig in. Alright, so for the first thing is going to gather the ingredients. I've already done that. Then I'm going to cook the chicken. So let me go ahead and cook the chicken. Okay, so I've got my skillet preheating as well as the oven preheating per this nice recipe card. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cook the chicken. So I'm going to place this chicken, which already comes pre-packed, vacuum sealed, nice and food safe. It even has this little tab here if you want to look at that. So I won't have to use a pair of these to get into it. So if you want to come on over, I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do here. Got a little bit of heat going here. Comes open like so, very easy, as you can see. I'm just going to fold it right in. And it is raw chicken, so I'm going to immediately put this in a place where only raw chicken is going to go. Right here. Hands a little bit. Okay, so we're going to cook this on this side for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so our chicken is cooking. While that's finishing cooking, we're going to go ahead and start baking our flatbread and building that up. So the first thing we're going to do is place the flatbread on a baking sheet with the bottom or the light colored side up. So let's do that. As you can see, I've got parchment paper here. We do recommend that if you don't want things to stick to your pan and make your cleanup job easier. So it comes out really easily like this. So the light side seems to be that side for me, not that side. So I'm going to do that, and we're going to build it. You see the cheese obviously comes pre-packaged. Looks like I will need my scissors here. So I'm just going to build the flatbread as appropriate. Oh, that's the timer for our chicken. Once we build this, we are going to actually place it in this oven, preheat it to 425 for 5 minutes. I'm going to do that. I have my timer going off one way, and I've got it going the other way. Okay, let's take the chicken out. You see I've got some burners at the bottom to make sure it's all done. What I'm going to do is make a cut in the thickest part of the meat, as is normal chicken process. see if we have any pink at all. I think we are good. Wonderful. All right. So now I should take this off. I should like mine a little bit browner. Bring it over here. We'll turn our oven off. Now, what we can do is take this and let's get this sliced up. I'm actually going to use a fork. And the directions tell me that I need to place the chicken on the clean cutting board and let it rest for 5 minutes and then slice it into 1/4 inch thick slices. So you know what? I'm gonna wait until my flatbread is done crisping, then we'll be right back to slice this up. Okay, so we're back. We're gonna go ahead and slice my chicken into 1/3 inch slices, or the size that I like, while my flatbread is finishing up in the oven. So go ahead and do that. Chicken is really tender, cuts really easily. The one thing I like about flatbread, if you all like about flatbread, is cheese, and that looks absolutely beautiful. Alright, so we're going to switch this over here now. Get our handy dandy card that tells us what to do. So now we're going to add the chicken on here, and then it says to add more cheese, but I put all my cheese on the front because that's how I like it. Then I'm going to add bacon, and I'm going to bake for another 10 to 12 minutes, and then add sauce is optional. We'll be ready to eat. So let's do that. I'm going to grab some of this. Almost there. As you can see, it's made for two, but I've pretty much made one big one. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to add my bacon as well. Set my timer for 12 minutes. Actually, 10 minutes just to be on the safe side. See back here. Okay, so I just experienced something. You know how when you cook, there's some leftover things, you just want to pop it in your mouth? One of the things I didn't realize is that I was actually making Chick-fil-A chicken right here in my own home. So I got this piece of chicken, like this one, similar to this, I put it in my mouth. That's the other thing. You get to have Chick-fil-A chicken made in your home at your convenience. This is awesome. I can't wait to taste this flatbread. Okay, so I think we're ready. Take this out and look at that. Beautiful golden brown there. And true to Chick-fil-A style, nothing is complete without the sauce. So this is a sauce that you can't get in the restaurant. So this is a Mealtime Kit exclusive red pepper relish. So let's get some of that in here. first bite. Here we go. Hold on. Crunchy Chick-fil-A chicken. Get the relish in there. It's a win. Chick-fil-A Mealtime Kits testing right now, only in the Atlanta market, 150 restaurants. August 27th, we're launching. We're coming for you. Thank you. All right, so the other part of the cooking experience is how much does it take to clean up? So I'm literally going to show you how much there is to clean up. We have the garlic and herb ranch. I didn't use all of it. The relish, flatbread stuff, this stuff here. You know what? I would actually keep this in case you wanted to do another meal kit, or it's going to come in there anyway. So I think I'm going to keep it because I like that pretty picture. And you can actually compare that to that. So it looks very similar. I'm going to actually put this back in the box. Not required. It's just the way I like to do it. And you're ready to recycle this. Actually, I should have put this in there as well. Got my skillet, got my spatula, a couple of utensils, stuff. And hang this back up or wash it. That's the cleanup job. Chick-fil-A Mealtime Kits.